Recently, we posted a video on a reel about hair care treatment at RA, right? The one with the scalp peel, hair oxygen and hair laser. And lots of questions about it, and I thought today I should explain that in a little detail. This particular treatment is designed for sudden hair fall. However, works wonderfully for chronic hair fall as well. Now, sudden hair fall right now has become a buzzword thanks to COVID. Even otherwise, any kind of fever, whether it was typhoid, whether it was dengue, all the time, a fever always led to a post-stress hair fall. So that's a known thing, that's a done thing, right? Physical stress, mental stress, one tends to have a hair fall, other than, of course, nutritional deficiency and hormonal imbalances. How do I integrate this treatment into the whole picture? One, of course, it's important for you to understand that all hair fall may not just be because of stress. It could be because of nutritional deficiency. So usually, if I think clinically, I see some symptoms of nutritional deficiency in other parts of your body, your skin, for example, then I do an entire nutritional checkup and see it could simply be as simple as an iron deficiency, and all I will give you is an iron tablet and you're good to go. Or then it could be something hormonal. If I see things like your skin is dry, or you have sleep issues, you have weight issues, then I may end up checking your thyroid. If that's the case, then we end up correcting your thyroid or work with an endocrinologist. It could be a part of a PCOS. Again, then it will have a few more clinical signs that I will look at it. Now, if all this is ruled out, and then I also know and have a history of you saying either you have a physical illness like have had COVID or any other fever or a mental stress, then I know this is all about stress. So we end up using this particular treatment, which is a 3-step treatment. One, of course, I take care of the scalp with various scalp peels, like the way we peel the skin and keep it prepared, right, for other treatments that you do. Likewise, we prepare the scalp to receive well the treatment. We are then aiming at a better hair growth. So we clean up the scalp, like people have extremely oily scalp with dandruff. All this has to be treated before I jet any other hair nutrients onto the scalp, isn't it? So that's the first step. Then with the oxygen, what we do is oxygen itself it has lots of healing properties, antibacterial properties. So oxygen itself will do the magic. But along with the nascent high-powered oxygen, we also jet in certain fluids which goes in that little canister on the top. So we use certain vitamins, hair stimulants, all of that to stimulate and repair and recover your hair. The last step was the laser, which stimulates blood supply, which stimulates more regeneration of the hair itself. So that's your last step. Now, how do I combine this with other programs in the clinic? We could, in case the hair fall is really excess and you're okay for a slightly invasive program. This is a completely non-invasive thing, right? So you're okay for a slightly invasive, then we end up doing something called as a mesotherapy. Again, a concoction of various vitamins, growth factors, which go into the scalp. So that's with tiny little injections after a numbing round of injection is given to you. PRP is something that I really don't do for especially a post-COVID or a post-fever hair fall, because body would have suffered with a few insults, and you don't want to use that platelet, or that blood may not even be rich in growth factors, and the platelet may not be the healthiest best. There's a lot of inflammatory changes as well, so you don't want to use that. So no PRP at this stage. Then of course you have to go back home with some supplements like Anagen for hair nutrition, like Defense for anti-inflammation, and Bright as an antioxidant. In combination, all of this really works wonders for your hair. So keep the questions flowing, and I shall try to do my best in explaining the processes.